What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And yeah, I bet you guys aren't used to seeing me like this anymore. This is kind of like how I used to shoot my old videos. But yeah, anyway, the reason for this different view we're doing right here is because everything you see right here behind me is gonna change. Well, pretty much what it's sitting on top of. Because a few little things, I guess I'd call them snags, happened with my current desks from IKEA. I'll show you that right now. Yeah, so obviously the monitors that I'm using right now are a bit too heavy for the actual desks that I have from IKEA. And just so you guys know, these are the IKEA Linman desks, and they're really popular. A lot of people have them, but if you guys didn't know, these things are actually hollow in the middle. They're not a solid piece of wood like they may have you believe or something like that. So that's why you see a lot of YouTubers and other people using actual like butcher block countertops as desks. That is because you can get it fully solid, and you can actually, you know, hold up really heavy items like a monitor arm with multiple monitors that are very heavy. This never used to be a problem with my other monitors, you know, my older ones, because they're a lot lighter. But as I upgraded to these bigger and more heavier monitors, it just started caving in the desk basically. Yeah, and it just doesn't hold up anymore. So we're gonna have to do something about that. So I have a completely new solution. I think you guys are really gonna like it. Kind of takes this whole desk setup that I got right here and makes it completely different. So we're gonna get into that right now. Let's roll the intro and get started. So what I ended up doing was I actually got a butcher block countertop custom, and yeah, I got that from Home Depot. I did not order it from IKEA. I don't have one near me, so I was not able to do that. That is an option for you guys. There's one called the Carlby on IKEA that you guys can get, but for me, couldn't get one shipped because it costs just as much as the freaking countertop to ship it, so it's like double the price. So I ended up checking out Home Depot, and it turns out they have these countertops that are very similar to that, only they come unfinished. So you actually have to finish them and put some polish on it yourself to give it the look that you want. You can stain it, or you can just put this satin topper that I put on it myself on top of it, and I'll show you guys what I did right here. Alright, so really the first thing I gotta do, and I'm really not looking forward to this, to be totally honest, I gotta take this entire thing apart. Yeah, so we'll probably just time-lapse through this, but I'll show you a little bit of it. But yeah, I gotta completely take this whole thing apart, so here we go. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, by far probably the worst part is gonna be undoing all of this right here. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys all that because it's just gonna be me pulling out a ton of cables and whatnot. But yeah, just wanted to show you the rat's nest that I gotta deal with here. No, Bella, no, come on. Okay, hello. Yes, I see you. Okay, come on. Go get mom. Go get her. Alright guys, so now we're at the point where I got all the desks out, and this is kind of the configuration I'm gonna try to go for here. I'm gonna have my IKEA drawers right there on the side, hopefully. My desk is 6 foot, so it's just about this exact space here. So what I'm thinking is, it's gonna be filling up this space. I'm gonna have my computer on this spot right here. That way it doesn't have to move up and down. It can stay static. And here is the box with the autonomous desk right here that I bought. And yeah, gotta get this thing open and see if it's any good. So there we go. Alright guys, so we got to the end of the directions here, and normally you would put on the desktop that you get from Autonomous, but we did not do that, obviously. We made our own butcher block desktop right here, so what I have to do is I have to go underneath here, I have to measure it, and I have to actually drill in the holes right at the bottom of this countertop myself. So I've already started doing it, and I'll show you guys a couple of the holes right now. Alright you guys, as you can see, hopefully, like right up there, every one of these bolts right here, I had to screw every one of those in myself and get them put in the right spot. So yeah, a little bit more fandangling than the normal desk, but I think it's worth it because I'm really enjoying the way this real wood desk looks. So pretty cool. All right, so we're just about done with the actual desk. I just got to screw in the actual motion controls right here. Those got to go on one of the sides, and then the you know, the brick that everything plugs into. So I got to put that underneath the desk too. But what I also got from these guys is this little package right here. As you can see, it says cable tray. So this actually screws into the very back of my desk behind the stand. It should actually fit in there perfectly, and it's supposed to be able to help you with cable management. So yeah, I have a lot of cables that I usually use, so I hope it does. So we'll see what happens. So for example, this is one of my bigger outlets right here. That fits in there perfectly. I can run the cable down below it right here, and I can fit my cable, you know, all of my outlets right there. So that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, gotta get this on the back of the desk. All right, guys, as you can see, got it installed here, and yeah, wires go through it. Everything's good, very solid, and it works perfectly with the desk. So really happy with that. One thing about this desk, they definitely give you a lot of options for cable management, so that's very cool. They even give you little clips or like little 3M tape things with clips that you can put all around the bottom of the desk to manage your cables. So that's really cool. Alright guys, so for the most part, pretty much everything here is done. I just got to plug it in with this cord right here to the wall real quick, and let's see if we can get it reset real quick and see if it works. Here we go. Also, side note, cable management, freaking awesome. I highly suggest getting their little cable management rack that goes in the back of it. Very useful. Boom. Just plugged in. Do we have power? We do. Oh. You have to hold it, I guess, until it beeps. There it goes. Very nice. Looks awesome. All right, can I just... There we go. Look at that. Holy crap, you guys. That is freaking awesome. Sounds like a freaking robot. Alright guys and gals, so we're on day 2 of this. After I finished the desk, I kind of just went to bed and let myself recharge after that. But yeah, so now we got the desk all set up and it works. It's moving up and down and everything. I think the next thing we got to do is we got to make sure we put our RGB strip on the back of the desk. I mean, come on. Gotta have it. I had it before, gotta have it again. This one's a little different this time, so I'll show you guys that. But then we also got a new monitor arm for my monitors, so we're gonna install that too, and then get everything put on the desk. I don't know if I'm gonna fully cable manage everything in this video. I'm gonna try to get it all hooked up at least, and then yeah, cable management may have to just come later because I'm gonna have a lot of wires running everywhere, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I may try to do it initially, like just get a little bit of it done and show you guys what I'm working with as far as how many cables I got going everywhere, because it's gonna be a little different animal with this desk because the cables are gonna be moving up and down with the desk. So as like the cables that go from the computer to the monitors. So I may even have to end up going to like Best Buy or something and buying a bunch of longer cables that actually like are able to be cable managed. So keep that in mind if you guys are gonna do a up desk like this. You're gonna have a different animal when it comes to cable management if you want everything to look good. All right, so anyway, with all that out the way, let's go ahead and put a couple more things on this desk. So guys, as you can see, it actually wasn't too bad with this thing. The autonomous desk was very easy to assemble. I can definitely say that. Not too hard at all. Very straightforward. The directions were awesome. And just so you guys know, this is not sponsored by them at all. I actually reached out to them to see if they wanted to sponsor a video, but they hit me with, you don't have enough subscriber message. So I was like, well, all right, fine, whatever. Maybe after seeing this video, maybe they will want to sponsor a video. Hit me up, guys, if you want me to. But anyway, yeah, so it was actually very easy to use, and I love it right here. It works awesome, and I'm very excited to keep using it. But other than that, the desktop fit on top of it perfectly. All I had to do was drill some holes into it, and yeah, worked perfectly. As far as the monitor arm and stuff like that, very straightforward. Those things are built like freaking tanks. There's no way they're gonna fall over on me like my last one did. And then the only thing I want to mention too is obviously in the B-roll shots, yeah, nothing is cable managed right now. There is a ton of stuff I gotta fix. If you're gonna do stuff like this, like I said before, you gotta keep in mind that you're gonna need longer cables for pretty much everything you're gonna do now. Like all of my monitors and stuff like that, both my monitors and all of my stuff, I had to buy extensions for literally everything to be able to cable manage it properly, because as you can notice, the cables are going to stretch as the desk goes up and down, so you need to have even longer cables for that. And so I have DisplayPort cables on order, I have USB extensions on order, I have cable sleeves on order. All that stuff will be done later. I just don't have it right now, so I couldn't do it yet. But the desk as it is right now, I love it. I can't wait to start using it, and hopefully this gives you guys maybe some ideas into something that you may want to do for your own desk, since literally you can't find anything from IKEA right now because of COVID. I actually was going to go a completely different direction with my desk and just buy another Alex drawer set and do the old random Frank P hack. I was going to do that, but literally could not find any of that crap. So I decided to go with this, and man, am I glad I did, because I really enjoy it. So if you guys actually really enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a like. I'd really appreciate you guys doing that. And if you guys are not part of the Visuals fam already and you want to see more content like this or any of the other videos that I put out every week, multiple videos all the time, make sure you guys get subscribed and turn those notifications on. That way you'll always be up to date on my newest stuff. And until the next video, you guys, it'll probably be a video on me cable managing this, or actually putting up some more sound dampening, because I had to actually remove all that, and I'm gonna have to, you know, fix that and do something fun with that. So if you guys want to see that, like I said, make sure you get subscribed and you guys will be able to see it. But anyway, till the next video, I'll see you later. Bye.